Hey guys, short video today for two reasons. Number one, I'm going to give you an update on our YouTube channel and what is coming down the road. And number two, I need to get your input on a few things. So moving forward, we're going to be doing a lot more bathroom remodeling because Steve and I have shot so many videos over the last year of really great projects that we want to share with you because there are not so great tips that a lot of people are getting from the TV shows on the home networks. We've seen a lot of unfortunate mistakes that homeowners, DIYers, and even professionals have made based on tips that they've seen on TV shows, and that really drives us nuts because it costs people a lot of money and it's not fair that they're getting terrible advice. And this came to mind because this past weekend, Steve took the certified tile installer test. I'm not going to say too much about that because we're still waiting on the results, but it went very well. And so a lot of the things that we both learned there, we are going to share with you in many of our videos moving forward, so you know how to install tile the right way and build showers and waterproof things like that. So I need your input. Number one, would you like to see short videos that are maybe like 2-3 minutes long on things like how to install a shower curb top, the right way to do that? Would you want to then see a longer video of how we did the complete installation, a few videos down the road? I think doing the shorter videos will help us to get more videos out to you that might be helpful because we're pretty busy and I know you're busy with your life and you don't want to watch like a 20-minute or a 30-minute video. Now, that said, we're going to be using a lot of those video clips within our courses, and this is also what I need your input on. We would really like to stay independent and not partner with companies if at all possible. We like a lot of the companies that we work with, but frankly, I don't really like sponsored videos because it just makes me feel funny. Yet it does provide income to YouTubers like us, in that financial end of it is really important because it helps kind of drive the content. But one of the solutions that we came up with, well, two of them, is to develop courses, very affordable courses for you. And that's one way for you to actually see how to remodel a shower step by step. Also, if you like our videos, it's a great way for you to support us versus maybe like Patreon, which is fine, but that's just not our thing. Or even just like, other stuff that we don't want to do. We love making YouTube videos. We really, really enjoy that. And the other way that you can support us is to purchase things that you need through our online store, things like diamond blades, tile leveling systems, and different tools that you maybe can't get at your local home store. So I wanted to get your feedback on the courses and our online store, and if you thought that that was a good idea for us to stay independent and to not have to accept money from sponsors, because I don't want to go down that route, and I'd rather get your input on this before we make any kind of decisions. So let us know what your thoughts are again on, number one, the short little 2-3 minute videos and if they can help you out and if you'd like those. And then number two, your thought on us staying independent and not accepting sponsorship deals, but rather getting support via our online courses that we sell and also the tools that we sell in our online store. Thanks so much for your help on this. We really appreciate it. We love our fans on YouTube, and we just hope that you enjoy our videos and that they help you out with your projects. Thanks so much. Take care.